Okay, and here's verse 4 of I am a child of God. You should have this part down by now. I am a child of God. His promises, so I'm going to put one finger on my lips and then promises. Promises are sure. Sure. Instead of celestial, I'm doing heavens. So you're going to roll your arms twice. Heavenly glory, palm to palm, and your fingers flutter away. Glory shall be mine if I can but endure. 3 times, you're going to cross your thumbs. 1, 2, 3. Lead me, guide me, walk beside me, help me find the way, teach me all that I must do to live with Him someday.